Hi guys, today I will be discuss about how to create consistent images in Chatsonic with the help of my method. You will be able to create consistent images in Chatsonic. As you can see, I am on the homepage of Chatsonic. And the first thing is sign in your account. Once you do, you will see the same interface like me. Now, here you can generate images. For this, we have to use Chatsonic tool and where you can find it. Take a look on the left side, you will see different options from these. Scroll down, and here you can see the icon of other tools. Click on it and tap on the option Photosonic, and then you will be moved to that page where the Chatsonic can generate images with the help of your prompt. The first thing that I will recommend you is to use the same prompt, so that will help the Chatsonic to understand about your images. Let me open my notepad. And here you can see I have 3 different prompts. And if you read each prompt is start with a 17-year-old boy with silver hair and blue eyes. If you take a look on the second one, you will see the same. The third one is the same, like above. So make sure you write the same. Now once you do, let me copy the first prompt and I will paste in the chat, Sonic. If I hit generate, it will start generating my image. Now if I scroll down here, you can see the picture has been generated according to my prompt. You can enhance your prompt with the help of this feature, but for now I will not do it. Now, if you think it's good, then click on the option Download and download this image in your computer. Now, time to generate the second image with the help of my prompt. So open my notepad and I will copy the second one and I will paste here. And if I click generate, then it will start generating the second image, and you can see the image is same as the previous one, so make sure your prompts are written in the correct way. So, with the help of your prompt, Chatsonic will generate images consistently, and that's it.